Okay, watch Mommy. I'm going to take a scoop, and then I'm going to put it in. Okay, you do that too. Good job. Take a scoop and put it in. Good job, Viv. Keep going. Viv, are you helping? Yep. Good job. Good job, Viv. Okay, put some in this one. Get a scoop out. Get a scoop from your bowl. No. Get a big scoop from your bowl right there. And put it in there, please. What a helper. Okay, here's another one. How are you holding the spoon that way? Here, hold it like this. There you go. Get some more. Good job. Okay, put it on the tray. Here you go. Here's another one. Here, I'll take that one. Thank you for helping. Put more in. Get a big scoop and put more in. Good job. A little bit more in that one. Good job. Good job. Vivi, do you like helping? Do you like helping Mommy? You're concentrating. Okay.